Hi, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee. I've got this QM67 here, and this machine was having problems heating intermittently with just the steam boiler. So I would find that sometimes it turned on and would heat normally, and sometimes it wouldn't turn on at all. This is usually something to do with the relay or the board, and so I replaced the steam boiler relay. Here's that old one that was in the machine, and turned it on, had it on for about 45 minutes now, and it's continuously heated whenever the temperature drops a little bit. So looks like it's working. We've got a little less than maybe 1.2 bars. Just for good measure, you can see that it brews as well. Alright, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.